Ready, 3, 2, 1, start. We further direct the respondents, particularly the Establishment Department / Ministry, the Finance Department / Ministry, the Law Department / Ministry, and the Learned Educate General of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to sit with the team of experts / administrative officers, including the Registrar of the High Court, to invent ways and means to ascertain the areas where court fee on certain petitions, appeals, revisions, tax references, review petitions, suits, process fee, and on other alike matters can be reasonably levied and or enhanced without burdening and taxing the poor litigants or the public at large. Full stop. Further, to raise the existing slab of court fee on different kind of cases / petitions to a reasonable extent, not because the province is suffering due to financial crisis in view of the peculiar circumstances, but also because that the local currency has constantly shown downtrend due to depreciation and devaluation vis-a-vis foreign currency, particularly US dollars, the main source of exchange with it. Full stop. No deviation from this order shall be made by the respondents in any manner whatsoever and on any pretext. Full stop. New paragraph. The dicta of the above judgment clearly reflects that the special judicial allowance granted to the petitioners was in appreciation of their performance of duties and thus would not fall within the scope of salary and thereby not chargeable to income tax under the charging subsection 1 of section 12 of the ordinance. Full stop. There is no cavil to the proposition that income chargeable to income tax can only be exempted from taxation if the same falls within the purview of the entries provided in the second schedule of the ordinance. Full stop. Much emphasis has been made by the worthy counsel for the revenue that the special judicial allowance does not fall within the special allowance or benefit provided under item number 39 of part 1 of the second schedule appended to the ordinance. The same provides any special allowance or benefit not being entertainment or conveyance allowance or other prerequisite within the meaning of section 12 specially granted to meet expenses wholly and necessarily incurred in the performance of the duties of an office or employment of profit. Full stop. The bare reading of the aforementioned entry provides that the scope of allowances or benefit mentioned therein supplements the clear exclusion provided under clause C of subsection 2 of section 12 of the ordinance. Full stop. These are allowances which are solely granted for the better performance of the duties of officers as is in the case in hand. Full stop. In this view of the matter, the contention of the worthy counsel for the revenue that the judicial allowances being not covered under item number 39 part 1 of the second schedule of the ordinance would not be relevant to the case in hand, full stop. The issue of exemption would have been crucial and relevant only if the special judicial allowance granted to the petitioners was part of their salary, which is not the case in hand, full stop. New paragraph. Accordingly, for the reasons stated herein above, this court declares that special judicial allowance granted to the judicial officers of the district judiciary of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, officers of the Peshawar High Court, Peshawar, and its employees are not liable to deduction of income tax at source within the contemplation of section 148 of the ordinance, full stop. As far as the deduction already made from the petitioners, they may seek their appropriate remedy as provided under the enabling provisions of the ordinance, full stop. This writ petition is disposed of in the above terms, full stop.